What color to choose if you have some? Coco has hot spot. So, and I'd like to show you different cones. Okay, this is transparent cone. I think, my opinion, it's the best one because it's transparent, easy to clean. Also, here is cone like this. It's also not bad. It should be just right size to prevent from scratching and leaking area which was damaged. Another cone. This is this cone. This is very strong. But disadvantage of this cone, in my opinion, it's not transparent. And dog can chew it maybe so easy like transparent cone, but the dog is less oriented. You see, he doesn't like it. And also here is another cone. Coco, come. Here is another cone like this, but it's limited. For example, he can scratch this area when he has hot spot, still can reach it, or if you have second dog, they try to help each other, they can bite it and it will be destroyed. So yeah, I prefer transparent simple cone.